Hi everyone. Remember all these mixed media backgrounds that I show you how to create in a previous video. I will link the video in the card or in the description. And what I want to do with these backgrounds now is just to show you how I usually add my botanical drawings. So in each of these backgrounds, I will now drawing a botanical motif, sometimes flowers, sometimes leaves, and I will show you how I do that exploring my line work. So let's get started. First one, I will be drawing maybe let me think, Passifloras. Yeah, I will do Passifloras here. So I am using Uni-ball Signo 0.7. This is my favorite pen of all. So let's get started. The first one is done, Passifloras. So let's move on to the second one. And as this one, the background is very dark, I will work with white gel pen, also a Uni-ball Signo. And what I'm thinking to do is to draw maybe Anthurium. No, I will do Anthurium. I will maybe change this one for Posca because I want it's not so strong, the white, so I will change for this one. No, not this one. This is page for this one. So the Anthurium is done. the second background. So let's go to the third one. In this one, I am thinking to draw a leaf. So yeah, let's draw like a giant leaf. So the third one is done. So let's move on to the fourth one, this one. So for this one, I'm thinking to drawing maybe anemones, like a composition of anemones. So let's get started. So the fourth one is done, and let's go for the last one. For this last one, I am thinking maybe drawing, I don't know, maybe a Protea. Yeah, a Protea. this is the last one. Let me add the name and also add the name in this one. The first one, it was also missing. So these are my backgrounds, the drawings that I have created over my mixed media backgrounds, just for you to get an idea of what I usually combine with these backgrounds. I love to draw in botanicals, to explore line work, and these are my go-to kinds of pages in my journals. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed and you get some ideas to explore botanicals in your journals too. See you in the next video. Bye bye.